And his father's name is the R.K. Goswami.
Okay.
And he has already done his girlfriend at his.
Mr. Anuj is saying
My father name is sir नहीं बताएंगे.
He's pursuing
are you लड़का and लड़की?
लड़की of course लड़की.
she's pursuing BA.
You are failed. Okay, so okay, no
Her
problem.
father's name is businessman.
Her father name is businessman.
नहीं, her name.
Now I hope you are just working upon your mind कि भैया मेरा माइंड काम करे, है ना, कि भैया उसके पापा का नाम हो क्या था, वो क्या करते थे. Sometimes what happens, we get anything, we sleep. Sleep in the sense thinking about धनिया की पत्ती, thinking about गोभी की सब्जी, thinking about my चादर, thinking about my bed, thinking about just इफ्तारी, thinking about just washing the cloth. That's why instantly we are speaking here, so that just you can be active and you can speak. This is not any topic. You have to tell father's name, you have to tell his and her occupation and profession and all about another person. बट मैं आप लोग का दिमाग थोड़ा सा कॉन्सेंट्रेट करना चाह रहा हूँ ताकि आप लोग यहाँ पे एकदम से एक्टिव रहो. फिजिकली तो यहाँ पे हो लेकिन मेंटली पता चला गर्लफ्रेंड याद आ रही है. बट लाइक आवर माइंड जस्ट बिजी इन अदर थिंग. No problem. So that's why this activity has been conducted. Like you have to go to Shaheen, you have to go to Abdullah, you have to go to like this, you have to go. And you have to know each other within 30 seconds. And after that, I will be coming to you and I will be knowing you what have you come to know about that person. Understood now?
Can you give one example?
Like for example, I am going to hear Mr. Yash. Tell something about yourself. Jaldi batao. Where are you from?
Jammu Kashmir.
My name is Jasnu Maz. I'm from Azam.
Actually, I want to know why are you asking me?
Excuse me, no, ऐसे नहीं पूछना है. एक दूसरे के बारे में जानना है. उसके बाद फिर मैं आऊँगा जानूंगा कि आप इनके बारे में क्या क्या जाने. समझ में आया कि नहीं? क्या रे? Why are you asking me? बड़ा लफड़ा है जी. Like for example, here I have come to Minhaj, है ना? ऐसे जाना है, हो सकता है मिनहाज हमारे हिस्से में आ गए, है ना? तो मिनहाज, my name is this, I am from here and I have completed my schooling this and just I am doing this. This is about me. And what about you?
Yes.
जल्दी से बोलो, अपने बारे में बताओ. अपने बारे में बताओ.
My name is Minhaj. I am from Bihar. My father name is sir नहीं बताएंगे.
My father ने कह रहे सर हम नहीं बताएंगे. Listen to me. If you do not want to tell your real father's name, so you can tell a lie. For example, your father name is Sirajuddin. You can tell Kalamuddin. For example, if you do not want to tell, है ना? अगर नहीं बताना चाहते तो दूसरा नाम बता दो. हमें क्या पता चलेगा? आधार कार्ड से चेक करेंगे.
शॉर्टकट में बता रहे KM.
हाँ, exactly. My father's name is Mr. KM. है ना? KM. तो जो भी बोलना है ना? तो ऐसे करके फिर उसके बाद मैं आऊँगा और पूछूंगा What have you come to know about that person? Sir, his name is Kallu Raja and his father name is this and his father is businessman and he has completed his graduation from Lucknow University. ऐसे करके. Understood now? 100% you have understood? Okay. So you have 30 seconds. Go each other. Hello, go.
My father is Ajay Prasad.
What does he do?
What did you do?
What does your father do?
Farmer.
He's farmer. Where does he live?
Village, in the village.
Okay. And what is your last qualification?
Graduation, but not completed.
Okay, that's very nice. So I am your partner, right? Okay, I will be coming to you. Done. Excuse me, the time is over. Make again beautiful circle. And you have to tell true. Okay. So Mr. Abdullah, what have you come to know about Miss Fatima?
Her name Anwari Fatma. He's from
Anwari Fatima and Akbari Fatima.
Akbari Fatima.
So why are you telling Anwari Fatima? Okay, no problem.
Akbari Fatma.
Okay.
Her father name is Akhlaq Ahmed.
Okay.
And he's pursuing
Are you लड़का and लड़की?
लड़की of course लड़की.
she's pursuing BA.
You are failed. Okay. Who was your partner? Wakim.
Mr. Wakim.
Okay. What does his father do?
He is Islamic student.
Okay. Student and teacher and scholar.
Student. I am a student, sir.
I am talking about his father.
His father name is Ainul Haq. He is a farmer.
He is a farmer. Where does he live?
He Param Jharkhand.
What is his last qualification?
His last qualification is Molvi.
Excuse me, Molvi. Okay. What have you come to know about Mr. Usman?
He is Islamic student.
Okay, and
and his brother's name is.
Excuse me, guys, you are lacking. Excuse me. Here, complete. You have to have introduction. Yes, my partner name is Jasmine Minhaj and his father name is Mr. MK. जो भी मतलब जाने. Complete introduction फटाफट देना है. Alright, guys. So, who would like to tell about other person? Who's your partner? Shaheen
Khan.
Okay, tell.
She is from Pune, Bihar. And her father name is MD Riaz.
Okay.
And she is completed
Very good.
12th from AP.
I think, guys, you are not eating and you're taking the roti of badam. That's why you're liking. And this activity I have conducted to see your catching point. And you are not able to catch. Yes, Pooja. Who was your partner?
My partner is Mayuddin.
Mayuddin and Mainuddin.
Mayuddin.
Okay, tell about him.
His father name M. Ali and his graduation completed in
He has
Varanasi.
completed graduation from.
Varanasi. And he's from West
He is
Bengal.
from?
He is from West Bengal. And he has 8 family members.
Great, fantastic. That's all about him.
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. Pooja has told fantastically. You tell about her. Tell. About her.
She is Pooja ma'am.
Okay.
As his father name Yadav,
Okay.
and she
Only
is
Yadav? Surebhan Yadav.
Surebhan Yadav. Sorry, sir.
Okay.
Surebhan Yadav, and she is from Azamgarh.
Okay.
And she is 3 family members, and she has completed her graduation.
Okay.
She has completed her graduation. After that.
Okay, that's all about her. Excuse me, I would like to go to here. Who would like to tell fantastically and fastly? Mr. Yash, you come here. Who was your partner?
Minasa.
Minhaj, tell about him.
Sir, he's from UP and he done
UP, excuse me, he is from Bihar.
Bihar, UP.
No,
UP
Bihar is other state.
No, other state, sir.
Okay, no problem. Actually, he's from other state. That's why he has forgotten. He's from Bihar state.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and
Bihar state. He have completed his.
he has.
He has completed his graduation.
Okay.
And currently he's learning English from Welltalk Institute. And as we know his father's name, so.
As we know, as I know.
As I know his
Okay.
father's name, MK.
MK.
Okay.
Huh.
So he is after he learning English, he want to go another country.
He wants to go.
He wants to go another country for learning. For MBBS.
For yeah, beautiful, very nice.
that's
That's
it.
all. Fantastic. Alright, guys. Manjeet, who was your partner? My partner. Bolo, my partner was.
My partner is a very good person, and
Tell.
his name is Anuj Goswami,
Huh.
and his father's name is the R.K. Goswami.
Okay.
And he has already done his girlfriend at his.
Mr. Anuj, he is saying.
I don't have, sir. I don't have, sir.
He has said that. Yeah, chori pakdi gayi.
It means he is thinking about
Yes.
But sir, I don't.
No problem. Take your place, everyone. Excuse me. So he has completed his graduation.
Yes, sir.
Not girlfriend.
No.
Yes.
And he's a very intelligent boy.
Okay.
And both are backbencher.
Okay.
And
Okay. You have to tell about him. Tell. Keep on telling.
He's my friend.
Tell his name first of all.
Mr. Manjeet.
Okay.
And sir, his father's name D.P. Chauhan.
Okay.
And he has completed BA
Huh?
in Lucknow University.
That's very nice.
He
Lucknow
earns.
University?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
He earns money 1 lakhs per month. Excuse me? Yes, sir. Of course, sir. Sir,
You are
by
telling
social
us,
media, sir. By social media, sir. Sir, by social media, sir. No, sir.
He has. Excuse me. He is biased. Please take your place, guys. He has forgotten all the matters of Mr. Manjeet. Hypothetical scenario he was sharing.
Yes, sir.
Hypothetical mangalat. No, exactly. So, but your chori has been caught by me. So let us invite here. Now, who would like to just share about anybody? I don't know about anybody's partner. So, is there anyone who would like to come and share? Fatima, you have done? Yes. So, please come and share. Excuse me. So, go and take time and just know about him. Again, I am going to give you only 20 seconds. Go and just know about each other. Guys, this activity has been conducted so that just they can inculcate about each and everything. They are going to know to each other and they are going to introduce about each other. And sometimes what happens that guys, just in the class we get anything, we are not just focusing on that thing, we are thinking any other thing. That's why I thought let them think and let them just be in the compulsion for thinking. We have to compel them for thinking so that they can just concentrate their mind and they can speak fantastically. So keep on watching.
And my sister name is Afreen and Nasreen.
And your father name?
My father name is Hafiz Khan.
What they are sharing about father, mother, sister, about each and everything. Let's see.
Asriya. Okay. Your
Actually, they are lacking.
no sir.
I think they haven't eaten food and taken lunch. They need just But what have you come to know about her?
My partner name is Shaheen Khan, and she is from Pune, Bihar. And she is from Pune, Bihar, and her father name is MD Rihaz, and he is a businessman, and she has completed 12th,
Okay.
and she is a student of Top.
That's very nice. Tell about her.
My friend name is Rasriya. Okay. Your father's name and
Her father name is?
her father's name. Her father name is.
Please give me. I'm sorry. They are failed, guys. Excuse me. Hello, Pooja. You have to tell about him shortly within 30 seconds. Hurry up, jaldi बताएं.
He's become a teacher.
First of all, tell him who is he.
My partner is Mainuddin. He's become a teacher after.
He wants to become.
He wants to become a teacher after learning speaking, and he wanted in future become a business. But in future, he
wanted कैसे लगेगा?
In future,
He wants to become.
He wants to become a businessman because his elder brother is a businessman, and his hobby is learning learning books.
You have to tell about her. I'm sorry, you are failed, guys. Excuse me. Know each other. Excuse me. Fatima, you have to tell.
His name Abdullah. His father name Gufran Ahmed. He is from Azamgarh.
Okay.
And he is pursuing BCA. Currently, he is learning English. That's all about.
Okay, please. और जानिए each other. Hello, excuse me, Mr. Minhaj. Yes.
He is my friend. His name is His father name is ETC RK.
Excuse me, जो भी हो. RK. हाँ.
He is from Jammu Kashmir. I want to go Jammu Kashmir.
You have to tell about him. You do not have to tell about you. And you want to go now, so you have to tell about him. Whatever you have come to know about him.
He is very intelligent person.
Okay. What does his father do?
What does
इनके पिताजी क्या करते हैं?
his father is working government job.
Okay. What have you come to know about him?
Sir, he is from Bihar and he is a good person. So he has completed his graduations. Still he learning English from Welltalk Institutes. And as I know his father's name MK.
Very nice. और जानो. Where is your partner? So why are you just playing? Tell about him. Tell about him. जल्दी बताओ.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
His name is Sabir Ali and his father name is Mansoor Ali. Nurullah. His father name is Nurullah. And he just completed his.
Where is he from?
He is from Lucknow.
Excuse me. I know about him. You cannot tell a lie about him. He is from Jaunpur.
He is from Jaunpur, yes, sir. And his hobbies are playing cricket and reading books sometimes.
Okay.
And he is pursuing.
You have to tell about him. Hurry up.
His name is Sarfaraz Alam. His father name is Abdur Rauf. He has completed graduation.
From where? From Banaras, from Lucknow?
He's from Bihar.
Okay. So from where he has completed?
On Bihar. In Bihar.
He has completed his graduation from Banaras. Khatam. Excuse me. और जानो. Mr. Mahfouz, you have to tell who's your partner. I think Mr. Eklav.
My partner name is Mr. Eklav. His
His father name is Raja Shonkar. He has completed his.
Is he telling a lie and true? True. Okay.
His father he has completed his class 12 from BSNB Intermediate College. Now he is pursuing BCom and also he is pursuing aviation course.
You have to tell about him.
His name is Mahfouz Alam, and his father name is Nafis Khan, and his father businessman.
His father is businessman,
and he is from Gorakhpur, and he had completed intermediate from Delhi, and
all right. Is there anyone who would like to tell about anyone? You, please come here and tell about. Who is your partner? We don't know actually.
About her. Fatma.
Okay, Fatima.
Her name Miss Fatma, Akbari Fatma. She's from Ghazipur. Her father name is Akhlaq Khan, and her father do job in does job, and she wants to become a good woman in her future, and she's pursuing BA, and she's also Alma, as we know, and she's very good girl.
That's all about her. Please. And is there anyone who would like to tell? Anyone? Please, Wakim, come here. Who is your partner?
My partner name is Janukul Haq.
Janukul Haq? Who is Janukul Haq, guys? Is there any Janukul Haq?
No.
You are telling a lie.
My partner name is Usman Ali.
Oh, Usman Ali.
Yes. His brother name Anwar Ali.
Okay, Anwar Ali.
Yes.
And his father name is Janukul Haq.
He is from UP, sir.
Okay.
Actually, he is complete memorized the Holy Quran.
Oh, he's Hafiz.
Yes.
Wow, mashallah.
Yes, sir.
That's all. What does his father do?
Anwar.
Excuse me, what does his father do?
Oh, his father's businessman.
His father is a businessman, all
Yes,
right?
yes.
Okay. Where is he from?
Where he is from UP, sir.
UP.
Yes.
Very nice. Please take your seat, Mr. Wakim. Is there anyone? Please, Shahin, come here. Who's your partner?
My partner's name is Rasreya.
Very good.
Her father's name is AK.
Eki.
She's from
Akbarpur.
Akbarpur. No.
Already they know. Her village name is Churaila actually. Hai na? She
Yes, sir,
made it very famous here. Yes. Okay, no
Her
problem.
father's name is businessman.
Her father name is businessman.
No, her name. His father's.
Huh.
His father's
Her,
business.
his father or her father?
He's her.
Are you ladka?
Her father is businessman.
Very nice.
Okay. She's completed 12th.
She has completed 12. Yeah.
Okay, so
That's all. Very nice. Beautiful, very nice. You have spoken. I know that just you are a bit dari ladki, but you have come without calling. It is really fantastic. Alright, guys. So everyone has spoken, I think, and कोई छूटा तो नहीं है. Sabir is.
Yes, my partner's name Pooja.
कितने partner आपके हैं? Can my partners? हाँ.
My partner name is Pooja.
My partner's name अच्छा. Okay, अपन स्टाफ लग रहा. ठीक. Okay, it's good.
She has completed her graduation.
Good.
And her father name is Suryavan Yadav, and she is hobby is
हाँ ठीक है.
Her hobby is cooking and traveling, and she wants become to.
She wants to become.
So she wants to become civil services.
Very good, very nice, beautiful. That's all.
Yes.
Very nice, fantastic. Alright, guys, this activity has been conducted only for making you speak instantly, so that you can think about another person and you can be in thinking. You cannot think about any other thing. That's why this activity has been conducted, so that you can be mentally as well as physically. Physically you are here and you must here and you must be here and you are here, but sometimes mentally we are not here. That's why among these many people, if you are going to come, if you are going to speak, it means a lot for you. You are going to build your confidence. And Miss Rani, try your level also best to कम। अगर आपको डर लग रही है लोगों में आकर बोलना, लोगों के बीच खड़े होना, सो यू हैव टू पुश योरसेल्फ, यू हैव टू जंप हियर अगेन एंड अगेन, वंस एंड ट्वाइस यू विल बी क्राइंग, बट नॉट इन अ डे, बट जस्ट वन डे you will become an icebreaker and confident speaker, right? So next time you have to try. By the way guys, so it is all about today's session. Gonna see you tomorrow. Till then, take care, bye bye, have a nice day.